Here's how to use coupons on Walmart app. First, launch open the Walmart app and log into your account. Now go ahead and find the items that you want to purchase. Now open it. Then you want to tap on the Add to Cart option. Once you have added all the items that you want to purchase, tap on the cart icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now when you're ready, tap on the Continue to Checkout option. On the checkout page, scroll down until you find the Have a Promo Code option. Tap on it, then paste your coupon code or promo code into the provided field, then tap on Apply. Wait for the app to verify the coupon. If it's valid, you will see the discount applied to your total order. If your coupon does not work, check that you have met the minimum purchase requirement and that your items are eligible. Once the discount has been applied, you can review your order and tap on Place Order to complete your purchase. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.